Hello students, today we will discuss about SC on rising prices. There have been demonstrations and protests against the rising prices of essential commodities and of fuel price hike all over the country. Almost all political parties have criticized the UPA government for its failure to curb the prices of those commodities, which directly hit the common man. The price hike in petrol and diesel and other petroleum products also affects the common man in petrol and diesel and other petroleum product also affects the common man in one way or other. First point, public protest against rising prices. It seems that the UPA government at the center is not bothered at all about the plight of the man on the street because it knows that it can easily manage the opposition by fair or foul means. Next, price rise in essential commodities. After the last parliamentary elections and its victory in it, the United Progressive Alliance has almost forgotten the fact that it was the voter of the street that put it in the seat. If governance of the country, it has also forgotten the fact that the NDA government was thrown out of power because of its false slogan of India Shining. Since the last parliamentary elections, the prices of essential commodities like wheat, pulses, sugar, rice, edible oils, देखिए हर किसी के प्राइस जो है बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, जैसे चावल, गेहूँ, चीनी, दाल, ऑयल आदि के ओके have gone up. Even the prices of milk and its products have considerably increased, with the result that people with low income are not in a position to buy pulses, sugar, milk and other such things which are needed for their daily existence. Even the prices of wheat things have more than doubled since then. The daily wages of the common have not increased in the same proportions. Consequently, common man is getting poorer day by day. Next, price hike in fuels. The price hike in fuel like petrol, diesel and other petroleum products has further hit the economy of the common man. It has all around effect and has caused further rise in prices not only of essential commodities but also of other things of our daily life. Under the process of G20 and UPA, government has decided to decontrol the prices of petroleum products. In past few years, the central government has increased the prices of petrol, diesel, kerosene, and cooking gas a number of times. The present price hike in petrol and diesel is hard hurting every section of society. In spite of long protests and demonstrations, the government has refused to roll back the enhanced prices of petrol and diesel under the pressure of the oil companies. Next, the middle class and the corporate sector. So far as the corporate sector is concerned, the price hike in essential commodities and fuels does not have much impact because the incomes of its employees are increased in the same proportions from time to time. In the same way, the employees of the state and central governments have been given very rich package with the result that their way of living has gone up in spite of rise in prices of essential commodities and petrol and diesel. The section of society which is hard hit by price rise in essential commodities and petroleum products is that which has to earn its bread on its own without getting any government support and subsidy. Next time, PDS and other scheme. In order of remove poverty, give employment to the landless and unemployed people, and support the people living below the poverty line, the government has initiated a number of schemes. It has started public distribution system for supplying essential commodities like wheat, rice, pulses, sugar and oil to the people living below poverty line at a chapter rate. In the same way, it has introduced schemes like Manrega and Narega to give partial employment to the landless people in the rural areas. But that is not enough. It is just like a drop in the ocean. Unless people in the rural areas get full-time and satisfying jobs, they cannot cope with the situation. As such, the gap between the rich and that poor would go on widening day by day. The rift between the two classes of society would cause a very serious problem someday. The price hike in fuel like petrol, diesel, and other petroleum products has further hit the economy of the common man. It has all-round effect and has caused further rise in prices not only of essential commodities but also of other things of our daily life. Under the process of G20, the UPA government has decided to decontrol the prices of petroleum problems. In past few years, the central government has increased the price of petrol, diesel, kerosene, and cooking gas a number of times. The present price hike in petrol and diesel is hard, hurting every section of society. In spite of long protests and demonstrations, the government has refused to roll back the enhanced price of petrol and diesel. Under the pressure of the oil company,